today is all about deadheading the roses and the dianthus and all of the flowers that have just finished putting forth this gorgeous bloom, this beautiful flower show. Now is the time to take off the spent blooms, to encourage them to send another flush for us in the future. So that is on the list. And also, it got the best of me. I was sitting in my new sitting area, which I'm going to share with you this week, not today, but this week. And just to the left of me is the pollinator, a wildflower garden, and it is a mess. The poppies have finished putting on their show. The bachelor's buttons are setting seeds everywhere. It's just a hot mess. It needs to be trimmed down so that the zinnias and sunflowers in the next round of flowers can push forward and get the sun that they need. I need to get those roses into the ground. So I'm going to show you. I just went in and I just whacked everything down. I did save the poppies that I want to save seeds from. They need to harden off a little bit. I did save, what else did I save? Oh, some love and mist, because I don't have a whole lot of luck with that. I want to save seeds from that. So you will see, I'm just going to show you the mess of it. I'm going to work on it this week, and then I'll show you when it's all primed and ready for summer annuals and perennials to start to show. So I'm going to show you all of this. So this is kind of just a hodgepodge of a video today, a little bit of cleanup, which has to happen to encourage new growth. So that's really it. The question for you today is, are you one who has patience with letting things run their course and come to seed, or do you kind of get itchy and need to take all of the dead matter out? I know that's hard with certain plants because they need to restore their energy through everything completely dying, but it's hard for me. Is it hard for you as well? Let me know in the comments. Do you like a neat and tidy garden, or can you be a little patient with some flowers? I think that's all the chit chat for today. So let's get to gardening. Traditionally, you're taught to prune roses down to the next 5-leaf area on the stem. Sometimes I do that, sometimes I do not. Most of the time I'll just make a clean cut next to the next set of leaves that are coming up, and I have not had a problem with that. It could be in tea roses that it's different, but most of mine are just kind of bush type roses, so I just simply cleanly clip off to the next leaf. So that's what I'm doing. It's a lot quicker, and I have not had any problem with getting another round of roses to bloom. This here is one of the areas where I was talking about. I could strategically just leave some of this daisy chrysanthemum in the ground, but I think because of everything else I have coming up to bloom here, I'm going to go ahead and just pull the whole plant out. I'll shake it because there are some seeds there, but I have other of this that I've let totally go to seed. And I know with the winds we get and how easily this reseeds that I will have no problem getting plenty of this to come up next spring.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Walk up the river by my son. Feet step over splinters of the moon. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold birds, gold string, gold words, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things.
I did finish the garden cleanup. It looks so much better. Yes, I missed the flowers, the roses that I had to trim back, but it's all going to be worth it. When they give me the next flush of blooms. Or, in the case of the coreopsis, continue to give me blooms. You can see I cut all the dianthus back by quite a bit. I cut the Santa Barbara daisy back because it was crowding a lot of things. I trimmed all the iceberg roses. And I cleaned up most of the petunias. Took about 2/3 off the bottom actually. It's kind of hard to do, especially if they don't look terrible, but in the long run, it's worth it. And then there's this mess. I just wanted to share with you the before because I'm working on this tomorrow. I cut out all of the poppies and the bachelor's buttons, just leaving a few that I want to collect seeds from. I will get in here, remove all the stems, and put in the next round, which are zinnias and salvias and nemesia and a few black-eyed Susans. Plus, I have planted zinnias in here and dahlias and sunflowers. So to make room for all of that, you have to remove what's past its peak, knowing the seeds have already fallen for next year. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed, of course, I'd love to have you do that. Let me know your favorite pollinator-friendly, warm season, sun-loving plants, because I have a feeling I'm going to have room for one or two more. See you in the next video.